Hey y'all, my name is Susan and this is my butterfly gardening channel. Hey y'all, it is Friday. I just got home from work and just in time because this is what I found with my caterpillars on it. So I have been out gathering fresh cuttings from my garden and I did 3 bunches of this. And the smaller guys, the third instars, are on this one, and then my bigger babies are on these 2. So I'm gonna have to up my enclosure game. I just ordered 2 more of these enclosures on Amazon. They should be coming tomorrow because they are my favorites. Like, I love the sturdiness of them. I just love them. So the other ones are good. They work just as well, but you know what? I just like these better. I love this extra. I've talked about this before, but it's been a while. But these are like more reinforced enclosures. And they have this extra fold right here over the zipper. So if anyone wants to pupate along the zipper, which they like to do, you can still easily unzip because they're actually on the other side of this protective piece. It's like this is a very well thought out enclosure and I just love them. And I also like how bright they are, like nice bright white. So I ordered 2 more. I have 4 already and they're full. I have 3 full of Monarch caterpillars and then I have 1 with my giant swallowtail caterpillars. So and these ones are more packed than I prefer them to be, so I need to spread these guys out. So tomorrow they'll get to spread out. Here are my other 2 enclosures, and you can see in there are 2 monarchs that I'm going to be releasing very soon. It just rained here. We had a good rain, so I was just waiting to make sure it's going to clear up, and it looks like it is, and then I'm going to go release these 2. And then here's a peek at my giants. They are growing fast. I mean, look how big they are. And there's only 2. I had 3 and 1 completely vanished. I'm afraid to even speculate about what happened to it. I think I know, I'm just not gonna say. Those of you that know. And if you really wanna know, ask me in the comments and maybe I'll share. But I have 2 and they're just getting so big. They're gorgeous and they need to take their time growing because I haven't found any more eggs and I'll be sad if I don't have more to come behind these guys. Y'all, I just cannot tell you how much I love being in my butterfly garden and how exciting it is to come out every day and just explore and see what's here, what's new, what new zinnia has bloomed. Are there new caterpillars? Do I have eggs for anybody? You guys, do you see what I see? Right there? Eastern black swallowtail egg. There's another one. These are my first ones of the season. I am going to take some cuttings and move these guys in. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna need, oh look, there's another one. I am going to have to get some even more enclosures. This is like incredible. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So I just tucked them in the corner of this enclosure with my monarchs, and tomorrow they'll get their own space, but for now they'll be safe inside here. Hey y'all, I was just out finishing filming my little garden walkthrough video, and I found a little baby caterpillar out there on one of my swamp milkweeds. And I was just walking through saying, I never find any caterpillars out here. I found one. And also my 4th and 5th instars have munched through all theirs that I just put in. So I took some cuttings of my tropical milkweed that's growing in my enclosures, just took them in the house and washed all the aphids and anything else, gave them a good rinsing, and look how fresh and clean it looks. So I'm gonna go put this in for the 5th instars. I stuck the baby caterpillar that I found on one of my little milkweeds that's growing back over there because I need to set up a baby enclosure. I don't want to put that one in with the big guys because you might accidentally eat it, because that happens. So I'm just going to keep it on that plant just sitting out there until my new enclosures come that I ordered. They're coming today. And then here are these guys who have feasted upon the milkweed that I put in yesterday. Y'all saw it. So I'm going to put this fresh in for them. Oh, and look, the chrysalis down here, the sulfur chrysalis, is changing. So that means that little butterfly is going to be closing soon. It's getting more translucent, and that is awesome. So I'm just going to put this fresh leaves in here. Hey y'all, I'm out here working on the backside of my garden, and there's a bunch of weeds in the ground here. I'm gonna just remove them and you know, throw down a few more seeds. So I've already raked out some of the weeds in this area, and I'm just gonna get these ones, and then this whole little section will get a scattering of seeds because we're supposed to get some more rain today. So, you know, that's a perfect day to scatter seeds. Except what I just noticed is that right there is a butterfly pea coming up. So that's gonna stay, but the weeds around it are gonna go. So, you know, just getting all those weeds out of there and having it just dirt already looks so much better. So I'm gonna use my Zen Master Zinnia flower seed mix from Eden Brothers. As you can see, I have plenty of them. And then I will just let the rain water that in. I think I'll get my little hand trowel and just, you know, do a little stirring of the seeds in. And we'll check back, see these seedlings. There we go. Perfection. Woohoo! You can see she's still, or he, she or he, still has some of the meconium dripping. Still doing a little bit of pumping with the wings. See? Pressing that fluid through. How cool. I actually think I'm gonna go get some more milkweed for this one and just totally replace what's in here. So y'all, this is what my milkweed cuttings look like before I wash them. And this is what it looks like after it's had its bath. It's a milkweed makeover. And they are all moved on. Hey y'all, it's mid-morning on Saturday, and my oldest daughter came into town from Jacksonville, and she came to visit with my middle daughter, who's home from Wales. Yay! And we've been having the best time. So we asked her, while you're here, my oldest daughter, is there anything you want to do? And she said, oh, I want to go to the Nectary. I was like, okay, let's go. Y'all look, a golf fritillary closed in my meat pop enclosure. So let me go and let it out. Keeps flying down to the other. Oh, there it came. Did you see it? Yay! Y'all, it's always a good time at the Nectary. And I got 10 more swamp milkweed plants, and my husband got a tomato plant. And then I got this maypop, not because I needed it, but because I needed to bring home some caterpillars that were on it. And I found some wild lime that had eggs on it, and she let me take like a couple little leaves that I'll go home and put on my wild lime. So hopefully it'll hatch and I'll have more giant swallowtail babies. And I got this little guy too. And this one. Hey y'all, good morning. It's Sunday morning. And I have been working on cleaning up my garden room. You can see I've moved some of my enclosures around, and my order that I ordered more of these came. I'm gonna get them set up because I'm bringing in more and more caterpillars, and they need a place to reside that's safe and not overcrowded. Don't want them overcrowded. I'm also cleaning up my gardening room because it's a hot mess. It's a mess. So when it's all nice and clean, I'll show you what I did. Give you a little tour of, what it looks like now. And what else? I don't know. I'm so excited. There's my husband making a smoothie. I'm so excited because this is my last week of teaching, and then next Sunday, well, then we have Memorial Day. Actually, we have a teacher work day the Tuesday after Memorial Day. I think I've mentioned this before, but it's like, really? But anyway, after that, I'll be free. Every day I can be out here with my caterpillars and butterflies and flowers in my garden. And you guys, I love being out here with you guys. And look who is out here to greet me this morning. I'm a little sulfur butterfly clothes. Isn't it cute? Oh gosh, look up there, Monarch too. Oh yay. Oh yay. And I can see the first thing I'm gonna need to do is a little milkweed replenishment. It's a good thing I have lots of it. Hey y'all, I'm taking a tiny break from cleaning. I'm making good progress, and I'll show you when it's all done. But I pulled my little balloon milkweed seeds that I planted, and like the roots are all coming down out through the container they're in, so I need to upplant them. So I'm gonna do that real quick, just take a little planting break, and then I'll get back to cleaning. So I've got these little seed trays. I've only got, I don't know how many balloon milkweed, but not enough for this whole thing, but I'll do what I got. So I'm just gonna fill them with some potting soil. There's some of the Pro Mix mixed in there, and then I'll transplant the babies. So here they are, and see what I mean? I mean, that's definitely a root riot right there. So these guys are gonna go in here. I also have these pentos that need up potted too, so I'll just put them in some of the rest of the pots. Okay, everybody's happily tucked in their new bigger pots. I'm gonna move them over under the grow lights. Yeah, look, now I've got two monarchs and one sulfur. That is so cool. I love all the little life that is living it up in my garden. And look back there, I pulled out one of my pots. It has some tropical milkweed in it. And look, I just set it out there for a minute and there's a little monarch back there laying eggs on it. I don't know if you can see, but there's a Gulf fritillary back there too. I have a maypop hanging in there. Not hanging, growing. There it is. And it's back there laying eggs on the maypop.